When you sneeze and someone says, bless you, you gain the blessed status buff for the next 20 minutes. What does it do? For the next minute, you get to roll 1d4 and add it to your attack rolls and saving throws. Edit to the people who gave me my first gold, silvers, and dank award. Thank you, may your dice roll well. And your encounters be legendary. Doubles your stamina, speed, and strength during the duration. Upon activation it cures all minor sicknesses. If done after 3 sneezes, cures all major diseases. How magnetic are you to begin with? Edit. Feel like I should also clarify that the joke was supposed to be at my expense, not yours. BRB bringing my crew with me to buy a lotto ticket and telling Spicy Johnny to bring the pepper.